traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 12th, and this is my recap of the top 5 videos of the day. And the Euro US dollar came in number 1 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on the Euro dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So the euro dollar continued this downtrend today. If you saw my morning video, then you know that I said that I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long unless it broke structure to the upside, which never did happen. Instead, it just continued the downtrend. We are approaching a Fibonacci extension level from the daily time frame, right around the 1.0581 area. Maybe it will make a bounce there and give us a break of structure. Whenever we do get a break of this lower low, lower high structure, whether it's here or whether it makes a new lower low, lower high here, whenever we do get a break of this structure, the first thing I would do is throw my Fibonacci retracement on the whole move down. And like I said this morning, we may actually already be in a wave 3 to a downtrend. And if that is the case, this might just keep on making 3 waves up and then continue the downtrend. We may be in for a downtrend that is actually a long ways from being done. So if the trend is a long ways from being done, if this really is a wave 3, then the trend is definitely our friend, and we definitely should be looking for shorts at the end of every 3-way pullback we see. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.